Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to wire transfer on Citibank. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply open a new tab, type citi.com and hit the enter button. And of course, make sure to log in into your account if you have an account using the user ID and password. And if you don't have an account, make sure to simply go and open an account. I've already made a video on how to create an account if you want to. Of course, if you're on the mobile phone, all you need to do to download the app if you don't have it downloaded, then log in using the user ID or touch ID or even using the face ID if you enable it, or you can even register for an account here in mobile if you don't have an account again. So now how to you do like a wire transfer on Citibank? Of course, you can simply select the wire transfer option, find this feature in the banking menu provided in recipient details. You can add all the required information, including the recipient name and account number, verify transfer details, double check all the information for accuracy, and confirm the transfer, then submit the transaction. So basically, we have here an article on how to wire money on citi.com right away. So how to wire transfer, of course, or what is a wire transfer? We don't care about that. So how do wire transfer works? We don't care about that. Steps on how to wire money. To avoid delays on error, which or wire transfer in cash, you must generally follow these steps. So information is needed for initial like transfer. You need the recipient's full name, account number, as example, bank name or address, routing number, SWIFT or BIC code, and purpose of transfer. So how do you complete or to complete a transfer? Simply, you'll have to log in into your account, then select a wire transfer option from the banking menu, provide the recipient details, all the details that we mentioned before, then make sure to confirm the transfer. Of course, verify the transfer details like the amount that you want to send and etc. Then confirm the transfer. Here, as you can see, this table will show you like the process time, required details, fees, currency conversion, purpose of transfer. If you want to know this information, you can pause the video and read this out. And if you want to cancel, normally like a wire cannot be canceled if you hit the transfer button. It cannot be canceled, but of course you can, as example, if you send it to your friend or something like that, to ask them to wire you back the money or something like that, and you should be good to go. But as example, if you're finding any issues like I don't know, finding any informations that you of course of the recipients of the money that you want to transfer the money to, I don't know, make sure to double check all the information, specifically the account number. And there's even the option of QR code. You can just scan the QR code and fill up, which will fill up all the information, so you don't like mistype any information. So if you have any issues with that, as an example, just double check all the information. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.